In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background in Framer. Whether you're polishing a landing page or giving a section more visual weight, setting a clean background is one of the fastest ways to improve your layout. I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can follow along confidently. Start by opening your project and locating the section you want to style. Click the section on the canvas to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the highlight around it and its name appears in the right-hand properties panel. If you're working with multiple stacked layers, you can also select the section from the layers list to make sure you've got the right one. With the section selected, look to the right-hand sidebar and find the Fill control. This is where Framer manages background color for the selected layer. If you don't see Fill, double-check that the section itself is selected and not a nested element inside it. Clicking on Fill will reveal the color options associated with this section. Next, click the color swatch or color palette button inside the Fill control. This opens Framer's color picker, giving you a full range of choices. You can drag within the spectrum to explore hues, adjust brightness and saturation, and use the opacity slider if you want a semi-transparent effect. If you have a specific brand color, paste the hex code directly into the field. As you try different values, keep an eye on the canvas. Framer updates the background in real time, so you can see exactly how your section looks in context. Now, select the color you want to use, choose something that complements your text and imagery for good contrast and readability. If your copy is dark, a lighter background will help it stand out. If your copy is light, go darker for balance. Once you land on a color you like, simply close the picker. Your selection is saved automatically, and your section now has the background color applied. If you don't see the change, make sure you're not viewing a different breakpoint and that another layer isn't covering the section. Also, verify you're editing the correct section, especially if your project uses components or duplicates. And remember, you can always press undo if you want to step back. That's it. Click the section, go to Fill, open the color palette selecting, and select your color. With just these simple actions, you've set a clean, consistent background that supports your design and improves readability. Thanks for watching, and happy designing in Framer.